he's been walking for hours. But the forest never ends. A light finally. No one's here.
Right.
The TV turned on by itself. Run, run,
Run.
Welcome to the tutorial. To add your own content to the TV screen, open the One Placeholder composition and double-click on the placeholder composition inside it. This composition controls what will be displayed on the TV screen. Place your content here, then go back to the final comp composition to see the result. If you want to add additional shots and have them change during the flashes and noise on the TV screen, place the timeline cursor at the desired moment and open the Placeholder composition. Then, position your next shot right after the cursor. Then go back to the final comp composition to see the result. As you can see, the shots change at the moment of the flash and noise on the screen. We'll repeat the same steps for the following shots. By default, the project is set to a duration of 2 minutes. You can shorten or extend this duration as needed. The template is looped, so you can easily adjust the length to match your content. In my case, the content inside the placeholder composition lasts almost 30 seconds, so I shorten the placeholder composition to the point where the last clip ends. Then I do the same in the final comp composition. I've added animation presets, zoom in and zoom out, to the template, which create a nice focus effect on the TV screen and make the project more dynamic. Of course, you can animate these effects manually, but if for any reason you're not sure how to do it, simply add these 2 presets to your After Effects program. You'll find them in the Presets folder included with the template package. To apply a zoom animation, place the timeline cursor at your chosen point and drag the desired preset onto the composition. As you can see, we've created a zoom-in effect that occurs at the point where the timeline cursor is placed. Now, move the cursor a bit further along the timeline to apply the zoom-out animation and return to the standard camera distance. In the final scene, we'll create a close-up shot of the monster popping out. This time, however, we'll edit the zoom-in animation so that it's faster and zooms in more closely. To edit the zoom-in animation, expand the composition on the timeline and, under Scale, decrease the distance between the keyframes to make the animation play faster. To increase the zoom in on the TV, select the final keyframe and change the scale value from 120% to a higher number. Finally, you can add the zoom out effect again to return to the standard camera distance. That's everything you need to know about this template. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.